speaking for the first time on the need for mandatory corporate social responsibility. The new Corporate Affairs Minister, Sachin Pilot, said that India Inc. has been lobbying hard to get tax incentives on money that they spend on CSR activities. Debdatta Das joins us with more details. Debdatta, any hope of some respite on this particular front for India Inc.? What is MCA's stance?
This is the first time that we've heard of such a demand being made by corporate India. They want tax exemptions even for the corporate social responsibility activities that they do. This is something that is unheard of. Till now, it has taken the government about 8 years to formulate this policy and put it to the parliament almost twice over. It's pending in the winter session of the parliament. We're expecting some sort of an action in terms of getting it into converted into a act very soon in this particular session of the parliament. But Sachin Pilot, who is the new Minister of Corporate Affairs, says that he has taken due consideration of this demand and he's going to soon approach the Finance Ministry with this particular proposal of giving tax exemption to corporates who are willing to accept and do the 2% mandatory CSR activity that has now been put in the new companies bill. Once that is approved by the Finance Ministry, it will have to be put in as an extra amendment into the bill, till which time probably the bill will get stuck, but there is certainly some action coming up as far as tax exemptions for corporate social responsibility is concerned.
They were looking for it to be tax deductible in some sense. I've taken the suggestions and we will certainly discuss with the Finance Ministry and see if we can evolve some sort of a middle ground where we can heed to their request as well as still comply with the bill that has been passed.